Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube video quality permanently on YouTube TV. So when we use YouTube and whenever we play any video, we have the option to set the video quality permanently with the help of settings. But if we want to do the same in YouTube TV, how we can actually do it? So you will have to first come on YouTube TV, and here you just have to simply play any of the shows or the live shows here. So for this video, I'm gonna click on this one. So here if I click on this live show, you can see that once it starts playing, you will see the option of settings here. So you need to click on settings, and the way we do on YouTube, you will see the same option here, the option of video quality. So you can click on the video quality option and you can set your video quality for this specific video. Now in YouTube TV, when you set the video quality for one streaming video, you can just get the same quality in other streaming videos as well. Basically it will act like it is set permanently without having any additional settings. So you can try this method. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.